The ability to reduce complexity and variety down to what is essential is considered a very special art. Intelligent simplicity begins with the module. The building block is the basic principle. Just as in the mysterious world of the tangram. The tangram is an ancient game which comes to us from Asia, and one which suddenly came to fascinate Siemens engineers. There are only 7 constituent pieces, but thousands of possibilities. For the pieces may be combined in ever different ways to create an almost unlimited number of new pictures. A modular game with hidden potential. Siemens, Development Department for Switching Technology. The principles of the ancient tangram employed in future-oriented technology. Siemens engineers have developed an extraordinary range of products, a highly innovative generation of circuit breakers for energy distribution. Centron VL and Centron WL, inspired by the simple intricacy of the tangram. Circuit breakers have never been so modular, so flexible, so simple in their applications for the user.
The idea was really fascinating. Tangram means, after all, that with a minimum number of components, a maximum number of combinations are possible. So, we have really achieved this with Centron. Tangram gave us the impetus.
The principle of simplicity. The reduction, after the pattern of fascinating systems which have always possessed basic modules, to a few intelligent basic devices, which can be employed in an almost unlimited variety of ways, to meet the user's every purpose.
Nodes are no more than modules, and there's a limited number of them. Nonetheless, they can open an entire universe. Variations, that's what makes music.
Just as the musical score guides the orchestra, so Centron circuit breakers guide the energy distribution for whole industrial plants and building management systems. Modular, flexible, adaptable, which creates advantages. It helps you save costs. Cost saving. Centron circuit breakers are modular, as are their accessory parts. Intelligent simplicity. Just 2 groups of internal accessories serve to cover the needs of the whole Centron VL family. And if requirements change, each system can be adapted simply and swiftly, can be altered and improved. Having the same accessories for different circuit breakers does more than make alterations simple. It also brings down costs for stocking spare parts. Just snap it in and it's done. Intelligent simplicity. The letter, building block of the alphabet. With the capability of modularity, letters become words, sentences, books, world literature. Without modularity, there will be no newspapers, no internet. Modularity as a must.
Without fast communication, the world in which we live would no longer be imaginable.
And so devices too must be so modular that they can communicate. System solutions. The personnel in the control center have the overview. Communication is flowing freely. Personnel are constantly informed about the status of the system through data from the circuit breakers. It's not only that the circuit breakers gather data concerning all electrical values, the data is also fed into the control room using the most modern bus technology. This makes power management possible. Electricity costs can be constantly monitored and optimized. The productivity of the system is enhanced. And should there nevertheless be problems, the maintenance personnel will be informed automatically by the circuit breakers via mobile phone. Warning and fault messages appear in the display and make it possible for the personnel to deal with faults swiftly. easy planning. Just as communication combines the different components to create a system, so the planning software Siemens Design makes it easy to plan electrical distribution systems. In Siemens Design, Siemens offers its customers a complete software package for the swift technical calculation and planning of energy distribution systems, as well as tender and order processing. Even without software, the very highest level of planning reliability is ensured, literally to the last second. The level of modularity of the circuit breakers is so high that swift and simple adaptation and enhancement is made possible on the spot in the system. Intelligence, simplicity and modularity. In everyday life, these are taken for granted as cultural achievements. With Centron, this is now also true for the world of energy distribution. And it really is child's play. Centron VL and Centron WL. Adapt to meet all your requirements. Centron. The art of intelligent simplicity.